Selena Gomez is a cultural icon and a beloved figure for every millennial and Gen Z out there. From her music and movies to her fashion and beauty line, Selena has captured our hearts with her talent, beauty, and personality. She's someone who's not only inspiring, but also relatable to so many of us. Welcome to Luxury of the Day, inspiring you to unlock your billionaire potential. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at Selena Gomez's lifestyle in 2023, from her net worth and house to her romantic relationships and successful makeup brand, Rare Beauty. So, if you're a fan of Selena or just curious about her life, stick around because we have a lot to cover. If you're a fan of celebrity lifestyles, then hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an update on the most luxurious content out there. Now, let's get into today's video. Selena Marie Gomez was born on July 22, 1992 in Grand Prairie, Texas. She was raised by her mother, who worked as a stage actress. Selena started her career at a young age, starring in children's shows such as Barney and Friends and Wizards of Waverly Place. In 2009, she released her debut album, Kiss and Tell, which was a huge success. Selena Gomez's music career has been nothing short of impressive. She has released several hit songs including Lose You to Love Me, Wolves, and Hands to Myself. Her most recent album, Rare, was released in 2020, and it quickly became a fan favorite. In addition to her music, Selena has also made a name for herself in the acting world, starring in several movies including Spring Breakers and The Dead Don't Die. She also has lent her voice to several animated films, including Hotel Transylvania and The Voyage of Dr. Dolittle. Selena Gomez is an unstoppable force in the entertainment industry, with an estimated net worth of $95 million in 2023. This talented artist has proven that she's not just a pretty face. She's conquered the music world with hit after hit, starred in blockbuster movies, and landed numerous endorsements that have padded her bank account. But that's not even the best part. Selena is also a savvy businesswoman with a killer makeup line, Rare Beauty, that has taken the beauty industry by storm since its launch in 2020. With fans clamoring for her products all over the world, it's clear that Selena has a magical touch when it comes to creating success. Selena Gomez has a real estate portfolio that reflects her status as a successful young star. She currently owns multiple properties, including a luxurious mansion in Los Angeles. The property, located in Studio City, California, was reportedly purchased in 2017 for $2.25 million. The 3,188 square foot home features 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a modern kitchen, and a private pool. The mansion boasts stunning views of the valley, and the interiors are decorated with contemporary furnishings and sleek finishes. In addition to her Studio City home, Selena previously owned a mansion in Calabasas, California. The property was reportedly purchased in 2014 for $3.7 million, and it featured 6 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and a pool. The 7,229 square foot house was previously owned by Justin Bieber, and Selena bought it after their breakup. However, she sold the property in 2018 for $3.3 million. Selena Gomez's car collection is one that's sure to impress. This superstar is a total car enthusiast, and she's owned some serious luxe rides throughout her career. From the sleek BMW X6 to the stylish Range Rover, Selena knows how to make a statement on the road. But that's not all. This diva also has a Mercedes-Benz AMG G63 and a Porsche 911 Carrera GTS in her collection, proving that she's not afraid to go big when it comes to cars. And we can't forget about Selena's latest addition to her collection, a black Tesla Model X that she was spotted driving in California in May 2021. The all-electric SUV adds a modern and eco-friendly touch to Selena's already impressive collection. But Selena's love for cars doesn't stop there. She's also been seen cruising around town in a stunning 1960s Ford Mustang, which adds a touch of classic style to her collection. With such an impressive lineup of cars, it's clear that Selena has a taste for luxury and knows how to make a grand entrance both on and off stage. Hold on to your hats, Luxies, because we're about to dive into the juicy details of Selena Gomez's love life. This stunning multi-talented artist has had her fair share of high-profile relationships, including a tumultuous on and off relationship with Justin Bieber that began way back in 2010. But the drama didn't end there. After a messy split in 2018, Bieber moved on and eventually married Hailey Baldwin, which led to a very public feud between Hailey and Selena. Yikes! But Selena didn't let that stop her from finding love again, and in 2020 she began dating The Weeknd. The two seemed like a match made in heaven, but unfortunately, their romance fizzled out after only 10 months, and as of 2023, Selena is currently living a single life and focusing on her career and personal growth. Who knows what the future holds for this talented and resilient star? Selena Gomez is not just a talented artist, but also a passionate humanitarian. In 2020, she proved her dedication to social justice by supporting the Black Lives Matter movement and donating to COVID-19 relief efforts. As a UNICEF ambassador, Selena has also used her platform to raise awareness and advocate for children's rights worldwide. She has been involved in various campaigns, including A Kid Again and Trick or Treat for UNICEF, to help support and provide resources to children in need. It's clear that Selena's commitment to making a positive impact in the world extends far beyond her successful career. Selena Gomez is a fighter both on and off stage. In 2015, the world learned that she had been diagnosed with lupus, a chronic autoimmune disease that can cause a range of symptoms, including fatigue, joint pain, and inflammation. Despite the challenges that come with this condition, Selena refused to let it hold her back. She took a break from her music career to prioritize her health and even underwent chemotherapy to manage her symptoms. Then in 2017, she underwent a life-saving kidney transplant, which was donated by her friend and actress, Francia Raisa. But Selena's struggles didn't stop there. She has also been candid about her own experiences with mental health and has used her platform to advocate for mental health awareness. She even launched her own initiative called Rare Impact to support mental health services and resources for underserved communities. It's clear that Selena is a true warrior, using her own experiences to inspire and uplift others. Selena Gomez is known for her unique sense of style, which ranges from casual and comfortable to elegant and sophisticated. She has collaborated with several fashion brands, including Puma and Coach. In 2019, she designed a clothing collection in collaboration with the fashion brand Puma. The collection included a range of clothing items such as leggings, sports bras, and hoodies. In the same year, she also designed a handbag collection in collaboration with Coach. Rare Beauty is Selena Gomez's makeup line, which was launched in September 2020. The brand's mission is to encourage people to embrace their individuality and promote mental health awareness. Rare Beauty offers a range of makeup products including foundation, concealer, blush, and lipstick. The brand has received positive reviews from customers and beauty experts, with many praising its inclusive shade range and commitment to mental health awareness. Rare Beauty has also been involved in several charitable causes, including the Rare Impact Fund, which aims to increase access to mental health resources. In 2021, the brand pledged to donate 1% of all its sales to the fund. Selena Gomez is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to awards and nominations. This talented artist has been honored with 6 Teen Choice Awards, an American Music Award, and an MTV Video Music Award, just to name a few. And that's not even half of it. Selena has been nominated for some of the most prestigious awards in the industry, including a Grammy Award and an Emmy Award. With her incredible talent and unwavering dedication to her craft, it's no surprise that Selena has been recognized and celebrated in the entertainment industry. Selena Gomez has been working on several new projects and has some exciting things in store for her fans. She is set to star in the upcoming movie Spiral, which is set to be released in 2024. She is also working on new music and has hinted at the possibility of a new album in the near future. Additionally, she has starred in the new Hulu series called Only Murders in the Building, which released in 2021 and is a huge hit. And that's a wrap for today's video on Selena Gomez's lifestyle. We hope you enjoyed learning about her net worth, house, cars, and boyfriends, as well as her personal life, fashion, rare beauty, awards, and future plans. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more luxurious content and updates on the world of luxury. We appreciate your support and can't wait to bring you more exciting content. Thanks for tuning in, Luxies!